Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this nut smoothie. You can see how it's looking, so yummy and nutritious. So in a bowl, I'll be adding these walnuts. Okay, I'll first of all crack off the shell. I'll be adding it in the bowl. Then I've forgotten the name of these nuts. Please remind me, okay? Remind me in the comment section. So I added cashew nuts too, and then almond nuts. I added them all in the bowl. Then I added 1 cup of milk. I will clean film it and leave it in the fridge for 2 days. Yeah, you can leave yours overnight or some hours depending, but know that these nuts are very strong. Even after leaving it for 2 days, it is still strong. Don't mind my son, he's pushing the tripod. You can see the tripod just shaked now. So I will clean film it and leave it in the fridge to rest for 2 days, okay, in order to soak very well and easy to blend. Yeah, it's not smooth we are making here. Shout out to all my newest subscribers. I'm glad to have you here. To my returning OGs, you guys are amazing. I'm always happy to have you guys here. I'm so lucky to have you guys here. Thank you for the love and support. I so much appreciate, and may God bless you all. You can also join my membership and super thank and give me. I so much appreciate it. Okay, so this is after 2 days. It's already, you can see it's already looking well soaked now. Seriously, this method made it look so creamy and delicious. Seriously, so I transferred it in the blender and blend. Okay, you can see the milk has turned to the nut color. Oh my goodness. So I turned them into the blender and then proceed to blend it. Okay, guys, can join my membership. It's just an hour of money. The money is not much. Okay, I made it very cheap for everybody to join in. Okay. So I will cover it well now, so it will not leak while blending, and I'll go ahead to blend it. And tada, it's all ready. Guys, you can see how thick it's looking, but if you don't want to be this thick, you can add more milk, okay, to make it more light if you don't like it this thick. But I love it this way. Seriously, I really enjoy it. I am a hobby. And the case too, guys, you really need to try this out. Trust me, you will love it. It's really good and healthy, very nutritious. Seriously, trust me on this. Thank you for watching and seeing in my next video. Bye.